Love that chicken from Popeyes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this done now, because I got at least one more I have to get done, which I don't know if I'm gonna do tonight or if I'm gonna do tomorrow, but we're gonna try to get at least 2 of them done today. So everyone's already seen what's going on with like the fast food world, like everybody like McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's. Everybody's trying to do the chicken game. We've had Popeyes doing their wraps, McDonald's doing wraps, Burger King doing wraps, Wendy's doing wraps, Chick-fil-A doing wraps, I think. Gonna go ahead and start off with the we're gonna go do some Popeyes. We're gonna get Popeyes wraps started. Let's see how bad this will be. So the one that you see in front of you is the spicy wrap. That's what we're working with, all the spicy. God damn it, why? Alright, feel the heat. I gotta feel it. Here we go. That spicy one. It's got like a baby donkey kick, but it's not the greatest. Let's do the next one here. Get it out of the way. Next one being the honey mustard. That's what we're working with. They're all getting a little thick and heavy and girthy. Alright, here's the honey mustard. Oh yeah, I'll do my braids at the end. That's interesting. Alright. Now, that's my last one. Good, God's already falling apart. That's what we're with us, the original. It's already falling apart up here. Oh dear God. Alright, let's try to get this one done here before it falls apart on me here. Alright, so this one, I could definitely say that's a 3 out of 5. They gotta kick up that spicy a little bit more, because I can get a kick, but it's not like hot. So I was thinking it was gonna be. This one, honey mustard. Yeah, I could say probably about a 4. Would have loved to be a little tangier, but it is what it is. But when it, well, no. If I wanted tangier, I would have had some barbecue added to that. So, either way, it was not bad. Also give it like a 4, 4.5. This one, same thing, about 4.5. I would have loved to see them do like a black and ranch instead of the buttermilk ranch. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the buttermilk ranch from there, but I think black and ranch would have been a hell of a lot better with this. But I think that's going to do for this one. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys did, thumbs down. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, all that jazz, put it in the comments below. Subscribe, tap the notification bell, and who knows, maybe you'll get another review at some point. Till then, peace.